Ashama hands up. How are you, dear visitors and followers? We have a news at this hour from our studio located in Horn of Africa, Oromia, Nasru Tifim. The deal government sent the so-called girly soldiers to keep our youth under the domination of Haram, and the girls searches their hearts with our shooters and immediately got 30 young men, husband, and told this private media about their victors. The non-existent freedom fighters who have been living in the Hair Park for a long time told the non-existent minister Ms. Baitex that their rights will be respected by Mir Fila and Mushutu in the new year. Mir Bulutus has passed the pressure from our elders to the use in Firasha district of Selena district. A car overturned in the eastern part of Hararghe region with red onion and tomato and mirth barbary. Written the poor mere potato to burn you. The publication of this news is by Mir Shitanim. The clash between Farham Badesa and the girls in the battlefield as the Bercha in Jima immediately hides the military instrument from sleeping in the love. You know you are allowing I am picking up 3 loaves of bread. There is a sad news that we have just received from Ethiopia. There is a strong fight between Ethiopian rich man Mar Mansur Jamal and the Ethiopian poor people who have captured the money. Ethiopian poor people with new weapons in the bank with US dollars. Accordingly, the captive arms are expressing your views that we are happy to have a job. General of the Oromo woman Mir Farham Badesa has stolen the third of the thousands of Oromo women with his songs and made them marry while they were willing. Accordingly, the barely that to be so what kacham and not to live with their husband. At the publication of this news, Nasru TV Entertainment heard. Warning issue by Nasru TV Media. All singers were kindly requested to refrain from bad action immediately when you are in a bad mood. Next, we marry you with the next viewers. In a year, your manners, the right to kill is only God is, and you should refrain from determining the Oromo. However, one should stand united against all discriminatory acts like this. Victor and dear friend, this is the main news we have this time. Thank you so much for visiting us.